What's up, lads? Welcome back to the KKK. Ya boys with a Z. Alright, the rest is you.
Am I focused? Okay, Arrow! So, I have a special one today. It's a pop this time. Very first one.
Ooh.
It's from Star Wars. It's from the Han Solo movie. Which I didn't know because I didn't watch it.
Ooh.
So, I can't tell you where it's from because I don't know. I got it from someone. So I have no idea how much it was either. So! Can you see it?
No. It's dark.
Ah.
Right, we can't see inside, but this is the side view, or is that the front view?
This is the side.
Alright, do it.
Side?
Mm.
Other side with like a picture of him with the number. This is the front, where it just says his name, Star Wars, and the number, blah blah. The bottom. This is the top. And this is the back where they have the other characters, so they have Han Solo, they have the Chewbacca that I got, they got Lando, I don't know who the hell that is, I don't know who that is, I don't know any of these other ones. Okay, I guess I don't know them because I didn't watch the movie.
Right, show the picture, did you show it?
What of this?
Closer? No, not that close. Yeah.
So there you can see like all the other pops that's in this Star Wars Han Solo movie one. And let's crack it open, man. So it has this background in it. I think all the Star Wars ones have these. It has like a red background. Is it awesome?
Very nice.
Alright. So all the Star Wars ones and Marvels are actually little bobblehead ones. And I actually quite like it. I think it's made very well.
Put it together.
It's actually really cool. Like the fur is like different color. Like it's lighter fur, but then at the back it's like darker fur. He has his, I don't know what they're called, the bullet things, strap things, where it has like the little bullets in. The gun's really detailed and cool. He has his little goggles on. It's pretty sick. And like all Star Wars ones have the they have their own base. I know every pop has a base with it. Yeah. Oh, he has a little pouch too.
Yeah, for a little pouch. Show the audience, my man. Okay.
Okay. He looks like a Sasquatch. It would have been cool to have got the flocked. If they have one. I don't know if they have a flocked one of this, which is basically just like him, but like have a furry texture to it.
Turn the dude around.
So there's like the gun, it's really detailed, and there's bullets on the back too from his thing. And then that's just what the back base looks like. It's just plain black base with like the Star Wars logo. I think it's the with the Star Wars logo. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's like the normal size of like every other pop. Yeah, he's about 5 inches. Yeah, he's 5 inches. Rating time. Alright, my rating's out of 5, not 10 like that. I am gonna rate him pretty high actually, 4.9. Yeah, 4.9. Only because if it was like the furry textured one, that would have been cool. That would have been awesome. And yes, we're doing pops on this channel. Well, I am. He's not. But I'll be doing pops unboxing.
I'm not.
I got 2 more left. I got 2 more actually coming. So, how many would that be? 5? 5.
Cool.
But I do want one. I actually want a custom one of myself. But I don't know what theme it will be yet. It's gonna be sick, bro! I'm gonna get one of you too. I hope you're ready. But yeah, that's about it.
I know that's a lot.
I'm actually gonna do the next unboxing. And it's gonna be another pop. And if you wanna know what it is, you're gonna have to come by.
So thank you guys for watching! If you enjoyed. Are you pointing at me?
See?
You better not be pointing at me.
Yeah, I am.
What do you mean? You could see it pointing at you.
Well, yeah, but I don't know the exact range of it. You don't need to point at me just because I'm speaking. You whatever, we'll hit it out.
Yeah, just keep talking.
I'm getting tired of you. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends if you have any. If you always shit, and don't forget to dislike.
But don't write anything shit or shut your mouth.
Peace.
Maybe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Peace.
Bye, Ripper Down.